surely won't. I'm not lying. Well, our recognition of the electronic properties of the dendrites is almost approximately entirely issued from the studies taken from rodents concerning the rodent animals like Zoogtia. The authors state this where their interest for the human brain dendrites would be the main concern, and they have recuperated the tiny surgical pieces from the cortex issued from the patients operated for the epilepsy or tumor in the brain. Two pathologically affected patients from the very different causes, as they are affected by very different types of brain disease or epilepsy with a seizure. We have obtained the same results with the two types of different patients. This actually renders into the very unlikely probability of the existence, and this is a very little possibility, to tell the truth, of the existence leaning toward that disease and malady by being connected to the same type of a disease. Matthew Lacombe precises the issue. I never hesitated. I never made a mistake. I'm just actually asking for it. I never actually hesitated. This actually renders into the very little possibility, almost none. Très peu. Very little possibility. I'm just actually making a very similar, because I just repeated, because I just really wanted to emphasize it. This is not true. This actually makes a very little possibility of existence connected to the actual foresight related to that same disease and that connection by actually picking out the possibility. I just really wanted to secure it. I never actually hesitated because I never actually wasted off any minute by actually thinking about it. I just really wanted to repeat it and the triple and quadruple repetitively repeat it to make sure that I never actually lie about anything. This actually, what turns it into a very little possibility of existence concerning the aspects related to this disease. Matthew Lacombe specifies it, who had already supervised and overviewed this study as a supervisor. This is very obvious.